Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femite video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode, actually gonna show you the unboxing of this Wi-Fi panorama camera. So as you can see, they are easy to achieve real-time remote viewing. That's the right thing they have there. Let's go and open it. Comes in this protective paper, and here is the camera. As you can see, actually light bulb screw. So that's the camera there. Comes with, of course, the plug to drill the hole. Wow, also comes with this USB SD card reader, and here is the light bulb socket section there that you just screwed in. And of course it comes with the manual. So this is the manual right there, that's in Chinese or Japanese. This is the English version, so just showing you how to actually install it. Now I'll be definitely doing a video showing you how to actually set it up. So definitely can be used on a smartphone, 360 in terms of movement, so it can capture or rotate its 360 degrees. So again, definitely will be doing a video showing you how it is set up. So once again guys, those persons who are new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.